This video took forever. Hi guys, it's me, Dalia, and welcome back to another YouTube channel. I've been late, I know. It's kind of complicated. My baby is sick. Yeah, she's sick. I'm back with IPSY. I've got the Glam Plus and the regular bag, and I'm sick. So that's why I sound like this. So I already opened them because I used the palette, the one that came in the IPSY Plus. So I'm gonna show you that first. Of course, their theme was Betty Boop. So I've got this bag. It's very pretty. So I got this, the Betty Boop eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna swatch them for you guys. That's the palette, pretty big mirror. And then these are the shades. I already swatched it. You can see these are all the shades in the palette. Alright, so next I've got the Jewel Smith Beauty Power Gloss Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. And this is Namaste All Day. Let me just swatch it. I'm gonna swatch it right here. So that's the lip gloss. That's Namaste All Day. And then this is the Serene Queen. Just swatch it right there. Alright. So that's Namaste All Day and Serene Queen. Next, I've got the Hemp's Triple Moist Herbal Whip Body Cream All Day Moist. And I love this cream. So I'm very happy I got this. So good. Should have got a little bit, but I got a big size. And it's really moisturizing. I love it. I've got the Kendall Jenner Teeth Whitening Pen from Moon. Got that. Next, what I've got in my box is the No Pore Blem Priming Water, and it comes. So I got the Betty Boop IPSY lip gloss. This is the color. That's a lip gloss. You see it? It's the lip gloss. It's very shimmery. Next in my box, I've got the Farrah brushes. These are the brushes. I'm not going to open it. But I've got 3 brushes in the Farrah Be Beautiful BU brushes. So that's what I've got next. Then I've got, I think I bought it, so like they put it in the box, but I didn't know it came in the box until I received the box. So I've got the Draw Your Liner Betty Boop and IPSY collab, and I'm not gonna open them, but that's them. Well, I'm gonna open one, and it's black. And I got 2, which one I paid, other one I received with the box. Next thing I received in my box is the Tarte High Performance Natural Chromo Paint Shadow Pot. So it's Park Ave Princess shade. And this is the little jar it comes in. And then let me open it. And it has like, well, it had that. And then this is the color. I'm gonna swatch it right here. And that's the color, Park Ave Princess, and it's really pretty and pigmented by Tarte. So this was my last item in the IPSY box. That's it. Okay, so the first thing I've got in my IPSY regular glam bag is the Murad Acne Control Cleanser. and I love this brand. It's very good. I actually have their acne blemish cream, I think it is, and it smells good. And the second thing I've got is the Crown brush, and it's the Pro Shizzle Fluff, the Pro Shizzle Fluff and the Perfection Crease brush from Crown. And the third thing, and the third thing I got in my IPSY bag is the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen. Next, I've got the Betty Boop and IPSY collab in You want to be in camera too? I've got the Betty Boop IPSY Blink and Wink mascara. And the last thing I've received in my IPSY bag is the Kanuka Hydrating Lip Balm. And it's natural scent. So that's the Kanuka lip balm. And that's it. That's what I've received in my IPSY Glam box and my IPSY regular bag. So I'm gonna be posting another video soon. I'm actually gonna record it after this one, so stay tuned for that one. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.